Hello, this video is about unit report in Optopro. It's aiming at field personnel like trenchers, subcontractors, electricians, technicians. So when working on projects, it's important that all participants receive good information about what is going on. So by working digitally in Optopro and unit report, things will be more efficient. I will now show you the simple way to do these reports. So first of all, you log into Optopro, and then you choose in the scroll menu here what project do you want to report on. So I choose this training session project, and then I click unit report, top left corner. So here I will do a simple job report, date, what type of job is this. This is a demo, so it's only two types. So let's say it's company 2 and it's cable job. I can see here in this project there are 3 cable jobs and estimated meters 20, 10 and 10, and already 15 meters is finished in this cable 1 job. So I will now report cable 2 job, and there's a possibility to connect this job report to an object in the field. So say this is cabinet 4 and I did 3 meters today, and work group can be if you use some kind of identification in the field. So let's say I have my group is 1, 2, 3. So it took me 1 hour. Comment if needed and save. Now this job will be saved here. You can see the most recent jobs here. If I go to the top, I can once more do a job report now if I want. I do the same thing one more time. If I do exactly the same type of job next time, I can go down here and choose the recent job and press duplicate. When I do that, there will be some of these fields will be pre-filled. So because this was the cable 2 job, so it's pre-filled with cable 2 job. So I need to do quantity, say 5 meters, and the work group, and duration 1 hour. Save. If I click the report button, I can see all the previously reported jobs. If this list is very long, because if you have been in the project for several weeks or something, you can use the show 25 rows or show 50 or 100. You also can search if you want to search for the cable jobs. So I fill in the cable here and it will filter out every job that is named something with cable. If I take away this from the search field, things will go back to normal. Sometimes it's not easy to know exactly what is the type and category an article for one job. So if you don't know it, the possibility is you can find it here in the article list. Here is every job and every unit. So I press the article button, and here I can see the whole list of the project units. Search function here, and also I can sort these columns if I want. Let's say I want to sort by category or by article or type. If you find the job, the correct unit you want to report in this list, you can use this report button to the right here and go directly from this article list to unit report. So let's say you want to report this company 1 dismantling 2 job. So I press report. So then I come back to this normal report field. So I do the same thing as before and press save. So let's go through this real quick one more time. You start with the report, date, type and category. If you don't know what is the article or category, you can find it in the article list by clicking articles. You can search, you can sort and filter out these different columns, and you can do the report here directly if you want. And here you can see also what is the estimated amount of the different job types, and also you can see what is the estimated time for one unit for this job, and also what is the actual amount reported. If you are in this report section and looking into the old jobs reported in the project, here is some administration possibilities for you. Columns is you can see or unsee different columns. Let's say you don't want to see this article number here. It's not any interest for you, so you can go columns and you can click article number, so it will disappear. And you can change it back if you want. Just click it one more time. Maybe you want to work with this list in Excel format. Then you just press Excel and it will be an Excel format file here. Or if you want to print this out in maybe a PDF file or paper print, so you press print and you do a normal print functionality like you do, and you save it PDF format or you print it on paper. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So have a good day. Bye bye.